It's got a bit of bud in that hand, a pint of Stella in the other. It's good to go. Good morning. And
This is how to spend your Saturday.
Pool there, palm trees here. Like, this resort is chilled.
It's an overall great vibe to wake up to.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying it.
We're meeting our translator this morning, the woman that was translating all my stuff yesterday and sorting the tour out for me and Bill. So we're meeting her. I think she should be here now.
We'll create her a video for this hotel resort, and we showed her the Instagram video, and she's run off showing everyone with fun. Like, she's been gone a good 10 minutes now.
Hopefully she doesn't swipe right, because
there's pictures of us.
There'll be some trouble.
It's very in-depth.
Instruction, so you cannot enter. So you go this one and this one.
Let's do this. Got one hand on the arse.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
You like?
I like.
These look a lot quicker than the ones we had before. So, we are here. We have to do a left out of the hotel, which will follow us up this route.
Which leads to this road. Then we have to follow this road all the way up for 25 kilometres. And here we have a temple. We want to visit this temple, and then we're going to drive here for another 5 kilometres, and then we're going to go for a trek through the national park.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, we go strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around, for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Hello. 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 Peace. Hello.
Hey guys, we have arrived at the temple.
And it is beautiful.
We won't be taking the camera in, obviously. I don't know if you're allowed, but we're not going to, are we?
No.
But we're going to get some drone shots of it later.
Yeah.
But that requires us to hide round the corner. Very big area, isn't it? It's a big space.
Yeah.
It does stand out, like you wouldn't miss it if you drove past it.
No, you wouldn't.
We did. We said we wasn't going to bring the camera in, but there's no one in it.
No, there's no one in here, so we're not disturbing anyone. So we're going to show you this place actually. Like, the detail in here is incredible, and we'd like to share it with you, so have a look.
Yes, the detail and the architecture is pretty cool, right?
Yeah,
We've made a big mistake.
We've got it all wrong.
This isn't even a... We thought this was like a Buddhist temple.
Yeah, because we didn't look into it whatsoever. We just saw that at the top of a map there was a temple, so naturally we just assumed it'd be some ancient sort of Buddhist temple or something.
Being in Vietnam, you know.
Yep, turns out...
Hello?
No. Turns out it's just actually a museum for a guy that won against the French colonist army.
Building the castle in the air, making an orchestra fanfare. Ooh, a soul, an escapade.
Sorry, we're just admiring a lizard eating some bugs.
We couldn't get the drone shot, unfortunately, of the temple because of military.
Yeah, there's actually a military communications centre like quite nearby, so we don't want to send it up there because we're getting some serious trouble.
Yeah, they would get deported.
Yeah, deported and our ass whooped. I'm going to get you a map quickly. I've got to show you something. This bit here is where we are now, which is this sign here. And we drove past this, didn't we?
Yeah, we completely drove past it. And
we stopped and looked, but it's, we stopped and looked, but the sign's completely in Vietnamese, so we was looking for something that we thought might be like, I don't know, look like a building, so there's a bit of tourist going on, but no, it's just literally a sign.
This is the jungle trek that we have actually located now.
Yeah.
Which is this little path.
Yeah, and we're going to drive down this on our bikes. Hello.
Hi.
Out in nature.
Back again.
This trail just seems the same all the way through. It is beautiful, but it doesn't change.
It's nice to be in nature, but yeah, we've been in it for enough time now.
If you are thinking about doing this walk, bear in mind that all of it looks the same pretty much. Like,
yeah, all it is a path that leads down a sandy path with trees at either side. I mean, you can't get into each side because it's too dense. So you just have the path, and we just see a guy that's gone all the way down, and he's come back said that it's more or less the same all the way through.
Yeah, I don't know if a tour guide will be able to come and show you some of the animals and stuff, but going on your own, unless you want a nice peaceful walk, which definitely sounds nice, wouldn't recommend it. when you've had a rough day, or should I say a rough day.
That was so bad. He is so chill right now, look at him.
It's got a bit of bud in that hand, a pint of Stella in the other. It's good to go.